Amazon Echo Show 2nd Gen Review. Please take 3 seconds to click the subscribe button on our channel for more upcoming videos. Alexa's bigger, brighter smart display. The latest smart speaker with screen looks better, sounds great and has built-in smart hub. The new 2nd generation Echo Show is bigger with a better display, but is size enough to keep Amazon ahead of stiff competition from Google. Since the original Echo Show launched last year, the software has been refined, but the experience is broadly the same. The Show is a voice-first Alexa speaker, with touch interactivity as an additional input rather than the core experience. If you never wanted to touch the screen beyond the initial setup, you wouldn't have to. When you do go to touch it, swipes and taps work as you might expect from a modern smartphone. Swipe down from the top to reveal a quick settings shade, including a smart home control panel, a place to trigger Alexa routines and one-tap access to alarms. What new in Amazon Echo Show? Premium speakers with Dolby processing let you stream music and books in crisp, stereo sound. With a vibrant 10.1 HD screen for watching videos, movies, and TV shows in a new fabric design. Make video calls to anyone with Skype, the Alexa app, an Echo Spot, or Echo Show. Ask Alexa to see lyrics and album art with Amazon Music. See weather forecasts, calendars, to-do lists, and your favorite playlists. Watch movies and shows from Prime Video, music videos from Vivo, or live TV and sports with a Hulu subscription. Your new kitchen companion, cook along with Food Network Kitchen, set timers and alarms, and add items to your shopping list. Set up compatible Zigbee devices without the need for a separate hub. See your front door camera stream with two-way audio and notifications. Built with multiple layers of privacy protections and controls, including a microphone camera off button that electronically disconnects the microphones and camera. Alexa can control thousands of compatible smart home devices like security cameras, lights, thermostats, and more. Just ask her to show you the front door camera or brighten the kitchen lights. You can also enable Alexa Guard to get smart alerts if your Echo device detects the sound of smoke alarms, carbon monoxide alarms, or glass breaking. Smart displays are here to stay, and they're getting better. They can be truly helpful when it comes to video chatting, cooking, monitoring video cameras and controlling smart home devices, not to mention the overall utility and novelty that comes with also working as smart speakers. Amazon made a real effort to address the issues in the first Echo Show. With a much better design, bigger touchscreen and improved sound quality, it's a better device than its predecessor. It's prettier to look at, easier to use due to a bigger display, and it sounds much better. If your smart home already works with Alexa, this smart display will add to your experience. For Apple Music or Tidal fans can also forget about it from a music point of view, but thankfully, Spotify support is available across the Echo line, and of course, Amazon Music is also supported, with both services working excellently with voice integration. Default sound settings are massively bass-heavy, and this can make spoken word content sound a bit off, but this is easy to fix in the equalizer that you can also control by voice. If you're using the Echo Show as a music device, the extra bass may also be welcome. The Show can fill up a room and make everything from classical piano music through to 90s R&B sound banging with minimal distortion even at higher volumes. When come to YouTube, if you want to search YouTube by voice, it's out of bounds, you have to go through the browser. This isn't necessarily Amazon's fault, Google, we're looking at you, but it is a sad fact. YouTube is also lower resolution than we'd like it to be, with the service recognizing the Echo Show browser as a mobile device and tuning resolution accordingly. You can now search Vivo music videos by voice, which is great, but other services we would have expected to be on board, Netflix for example, are inaccessible, even through the browser. In the UK, BBC iPlayer is available through a web browser, and in the US, there's support for Hulu, which could make all the difference if you're thinking about this as a media consumption device. If you're not in either of these regions, definitely check what content is available to you locally. The problem is Google. Google Assistant enabled smart displays like the ones from Lenovo and JBL, and rumored forthcoming displays from Google itself, have the edge when it comes to being conversational and presenting helpful visuals. Amazon's improvements just aren't enough to compete with the Google displays that add truly helpful extras like real-time traffic and a native YouTube experience. For nearly the same money, there's a $20 difference between the Alexa and Google versions. I'd go for a Google-enabled smart display every time, or at least until the next surprise Amazon event. Thanks for watching, please subscribe for more upcoming videos.